exam?
It was easy. It was good.
It was easy.
Yeah, I had studied. I had taken a whole year gap for this. So
Have you given CAT before?
no, this is my first time having it.
First time. Any changes since you must have solved a lot of past papers also, right? Yeah. So any changes that you observed from past paper to this year's CAT?
I got a lot of theta questions this year. My set, so it was much more easier. But the only difficulty was I was all calculating it for the exact answer. So that's the
Theta questions were a lot more than expected.
Yeah, to be honest, past given papers, there were a lot. Like, in few I had 10, 13, and 11. So that was like 50% of the paper was theta.
Which was the section that was the most difficult for you?
For me, it was DILR. Because in maths, like, you can calculate and get the exact amount, but in DILR, you need to know how far you can get with it. So that's the difficult I got.
How do you feel finally CAT is over now after 1 year's prep?
I can go and party tonight then. Yeah.
Okay, I won't take a lot of your time.
Thank you so much.
Hi Sanskar, how was the exam?
It was good. It was good. Yeah.
Which section was the most difficult for you?
I would say VRC was a bit difficult for me.
I just heard that the theta questions were a lot more than expected.
Yes, yes. For cons as well, the theta questions were like around 10 questions were for theta. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And so was for like DILR, an entire set was like theta questions only. And similarly for VRC, the vocab part was majorly theta question. Yeah.
That's unexpected. And this was the first time you're giving CAT, right?
No, it's second time.
Second time, okay. So any changes in the pattern that you've observed since last year?
Para jumbles was not there.
Yeah, that I heard you in slot 1.
Yeah. Apart from that, I think so. Rest of the paper pattern was like quite similar.
DILR questions were, I think, 2 more as expected.
Yeah. There were like 5 sets, 3 sets for 4 question, and 5 question, 2 sets.
Okay, then I think it's similar to slot 1.
Yeah, slot 1 and 2. Yeah.
You'd seen the analysis before going for slot 3?
Yeah, I did so. Yeah.
So you had,
I had a basic idea. About
basic
it.
idea
Yeah.
about the whole
Yeah.
Now, how do you feel since the CAT exam's finally over?
Yeah. I'm feeling a bit relieved, but could have pushed a little more and could
I
have.
think that's always going to be the case. But last year, how much did you get? Like, what was your percentile last year?
It was around 70.
70. Okay, this time let's hope that you get
Actually,
99
I'm
up.
also a catering student. I'm from Thane branch. Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
That's sweet. Okay.
Yeah.
So probably you'll join the live tonight.
Yeah. 11:30 p.m. Yeah, Rahul sir.
Yes, great. Okay, thank you so much,
Thank you.
Sanskar.
Thank you.
It was okay. It was my first time attempting the exam, so
Yeah.
can't say much about it. But
Did you prepare or you just came for the exam?
I actually didn't prepare this way, you know.
So how did you feel? Like what type of questions came? What kind of sets came?
So the English part was mostly comprehensive passages.
Yeah.
So you have to be really good at reading and comprehending it. So it takes time because it's my first time. It took a lot of time and.
Any specific passages you remember that came on some specific topics?
It was about. I actually don't remember.
Any topic of the passage, was it like on animals or sci-fi or philosophy?
It was one of the passages were about AI. That was
okay.
really good. So mostly science related. Yeah.
Okay. And DI, how was DILR?
You mean reasoning?
Yeah, logical reasoning and data.
Reasoning was a little difficult for me, but if you practice well, it's easy. And the math bit is also easy, but since I didn't practice,
Yeah.
so
Are you planning to give next year as well?
I might. Yeah.
You might. All the best for that.
Thank you.
Thank you.